Hi, these topical talks gonna show you how to restrict someone on Facebook page. So if you don't want to show your Facebook page post videos to a specific follower, here's how to ban or restrict someone from Facebook page. First of all, we have to switch to the Facebook page. So tap on menu and just switch to the Facebook page. Now go to your Facebook page profile and tap on followers. Here select followers, and now here you will get all of your Facebook page followers. For example, I want to restrict or ban these account from my page. So I'm gonna tapping on this three dot, and here we can see only two options is available. One is follow the account and another is block the account. So to restrict someone or ban someone from your Facebook page, you have to block the user from your page. Just tap on block and tap on confirm. And this is how we can do it. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.